In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse video in Adobe Express. To get started, open your design in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the project where you want to use the reversed clip, so you can add it directly to your canvas once it's ready. This helps keep your workflow simple and saves time later. Next, move to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click Add-ons. When the Add-ons panel appears, use the search field to look for either reverse or reverse video. Give the results a moment to load, then find the reverse video add-on and click it to open its information page. At the bottom of the left panel, click Add, and then wait while Adobe Express installs the add-on into your workspace. This may only take a few seconds, so just let it finish before moving on. Once the add-on has been added, a panel will open on the right side. In that panel, click Browse Files. This will open your computer's file browser, where you can locate the video you want to reverse. Select your file, then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. After the video is uploaded, you'll be asked whether you want to keep the original audio or mute it. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your project. If your video includes speech, music, or sound effects, remember that reversed audio can sound unusual, so muting it may be the better choice depending on the result you want. After that, click Reverse Video at the bottom of the right side panel. Adobe Express will begin processing your clip. At this point, you'll need to wait while the video is reversed. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on the file size, the length of the video, and overall processing speed, so don't worry if it takes a little longer for larger files. When the reversed version is ready, play the output and check it carefully. This is a good moment to make sure the motion looks correct and that the audio setting you chose works for your project. If everything looks good, go ahead and add the reversed video to your canvas. And that's it. You've successfully reversed a video in Adobe Express using the reverse video add-on. It's a quick way to create a different visual effect, make action clips more interesting, or add a creative touch to your design.